Hello and welcome. Let's continue. Let's look at question number 56. We're continuing with oral English. This time around we are looking at consonant sounds. From the question from the following questions 56 to 57, choose the option that has the same consonant sound as the one represented by the letter or letters underlined. Now the one we are looking at is clash, and the underline is on SH. So the sh sound. The options are A, sharp; B, cheap; C, leisure; D, school. So let's get the oral transcriptions of the various words so that we can see the ones that are similar. Now for the given word clash, the oral transcription is clash. Clash. That is the oral transcription. For sharp, we have sharp. Sharp. You can as well put R here if you want. So you can also give this as now cheap. That's it. CS. Cheap. Cheap. Leisure. Leisure. That is the oral transcription. Then finally, school. So it's very clear. The consonant here is the sh. This sound represented with this sh. So you can see clearly that it's in this one and it's also in this one. So A is the answer, because here we have clash and we have sharp. Sharp. Clash. Here is cheap. That is the C, cheap. Here is leisure, ja, the J sound. And here is school, the S sound. So that makes option A the right answer. Please hit the subscribe button if you like our videos. Give us thumbs up, like it and share it so that your friends can see them. Thanks for your subscriptions and support. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. Thank you.